What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Good morning, everybody. Morning, guys. Guys, I just want to say to you, say big up, enough thanks and enough respect. But guys, I want to talk to you about my show. So, for weeks and months, me plan it out, yeah? Me plan it for Monday, 7 o'clock. I have one show and then me get sick, so me couldn't get to have no more yet. But then me see other show coming per Monday, and then me I say me I'll change the date. However, me said to myself, me think about it. Yeah, think about it. Wanted to change the date. Did I go change the date? But guys, after I sit down and I think about it, I put a lot of planning in it. So I'm going to stick to having my live on a Monday, 7 o'clock or earlier. Because I already planned it out. I already planned it around a lot of things. I sent out a message was asking if Sunday night was good. But then I realized that other people is having event Sunday and Monday. Not Monday, Sunday and Saturday and Friday. So I said to myself, you know what? I go stick to the Monday that I already planned. Because I planned it for a while and I put up my my thing for a while. So guys, I just have to stick to the same Monday that I say I want to stick to because of reason why I put it at Monday. So guys, it will be recorded. If you don't get to watch it, it will be recorded so you can get to watch it another day, another time. What's happening? Welcome guys to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? No, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you don't feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Call the doctor. Go over the doctor. Make the doctor come at you. If you have money. If you don't have no money, remember, no worry yourself, because we have a cousin, brother, sister, auntie, and everybody I go help you if you go at the doctor. All your enemy, because some of them, they're right beside you. So remember, check the doctor. Check out your body, because you need it. Wellness check. Have you done your wellness check yet? Have you done your wellness check? Remember, guys, wellness check, you have to be doing your wellness check for your friends and your families. Make sure them alright. Make sure them in good mental health. Mental health is not a joke and is a dangerous crisis. So guys, check up on your friends, your family, and also your enemy. And guys, remember, say, when you cook at daytime, or evening time, or morning time, it is good to check Miss Patsy down the street. And check out Brother John, Mr. Harry, Miss Rebecca over there. So share some food with them. Yeah, man. The same food that you serve the dog. Yeah, man. You can give them some food. Because sometimes they don't have none. And sometimes we don't want them to light no fire. Because we don't want them burn down the house. If today is your birthday, go shorty. It's your birthday. And you don't know we don't give a... If for your birthday, just going up in the club. Have a wonderful birthday. And if yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. And if tomorrow your birthday come, happy birthday when it come. Now, guys, how would you really sit down and think that you may attack, yeah man, you get up one day and decided to start a YouTube channel. Out of nowhere. Decide to start a YouTube channel, yeah? And when you start the YouTube channel, you have 0 subscribers. 0 person when you start. Because you don't know what you do, you know. But you see other people are doing it and you start it. And you have 0. You have 0 subscribers. Then you get your first subscriber. Then you get 2 subscribers. Then 3 subscribers. Then 4 subscribers. Then 5, 6, 7. Then you start to grow. And all of a sudden, you realize you start to take time and shoot off. And you say to yourself, what? Wait. But then guess what happened? You reach 1,000 subscribers. You reach 4,000 subscribers. What? Then one of the most important thing happen. You're sending your things into YouTube. YouTube accept. Guess what happens? You start to get money. You start to get paid. Then you start to get paid. You say, wait. This can be a business. And you start to grow your business. And you start. All of a sudden you realize, say, oh my goodness, holy moly, holy everything. What you want to say, bad word you cuss every kind of word. Now you realize, say, you is a big YouTuber. You start go all over the world. You think this, because guess what happened? Now YouTube start pay you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. People, nobody no know you know. Subscribers and viewers alone know you know. Now you start make money. Guys, who I'm talking about today is one lady named Auntie Donna, another lady named Alicia Kim, and one man named Colaz Smith. Guys, the reason why I talk about them 3 people, I say, is because me see there's a pattern. There's a pattern. And guys, the first person me go talk about is Auntie Donna. Guys, what me I go say in this video is just me being very honest. I mean, wipe nothing under the rug. Me nah throw nothing under the rug. I mean, I go throw nothing pan nobody. I mean, I go talk things about certain things. Me just go talk about when me see it happen. My viewers and subscribers, me never know nothing about Auntie Donna. No, me never know nothing about Auntie Donna until one day me call my mother. And my mother said to me, say, if me watch Auntie Donna, me say, no, sir. Who near, sir? She said, you know watch Auntie Donna? Me say, no, sir. She said, you know watch Auntie Donna? Me say, no, sir. Who name Auntie Donna? Long time, you know. And she said, you joke. That's how much she love Auntie Donna. And me said, so who are Auntie Donna? And she said, Auntie Donna one lady will bake cake. Guys, my mother is a baker. My mother is a, when me call baker, me mean baker. Wedding cake. Any kind of cake. Black cake, Christmas cake, fruit cake, any cake. My mother a rock star when it come on to baking cake. So, apparently that pulled my mother to Auntie Donna. So she know what tell me about Auntie Donna. She say, Auntie Donna, our lady way start our YouTube business with a bake cake. And now, at the time, she said, no, Auntie Donna, I go start ship cake overseas. That's how long my mother tell me about Auntie Donna, you know. Because when she just start to ship cake overseas. Yes. So my mother explain and tell me about Auntie Donna. So then me start to take me time and watch Auntie Donna. My viewers and subscribers, me watch Auntie Donna. What they call her? Plankanation. Big up HTK. Yeah, man. HTK, me hear her say Plankanation. Yeah? Me don't know if I saw it go or how it go, but guys, if we make a mistake, my apologies. But I believe a plankanish. Something of a sort. If me wrong, I say go. If me wrong, I apologize. But guys, me I watch Auntie Donna, see? And me realize Auntie Donna do all different sort of things to make her money. And at the same time, Auntie Donna do all kind of things to help people. At one point, me see Auntie Donna help people at Jamaica build house. Auntie Donna help people do all kind of something. But behind that, me hear little things. From who? Content creators. Saying what? Donna a thief. I never say A or B. I never say A or B because I'm not going to get up. I'm not the kind of person going to get up and call a person thief when I don't know anything about that person. I don't know where that person money is coming from, but I see that person making YouTube videos and I see that person doing her thing. So guys, I notice Auntie Donna continuously doing good diligence. Meanwhile, content creators and viewers and people continue to bring her down. Meanwhile, she keep climbing, she keep going up, she keep baking, she keep doing her thing. However, I notice there is people who used to be friend with Auntie Donna, now bashing Auntie Donna. And I said to myself, that's one thing about life. The same person, where you and that same person eat out of the same plate, do the same thing, is always the person that is going to want to carry down. That's why them say, watch the friend where you keep. Watch the friend where you keep. Yes, because sometimes the same person who is rocking beside you is your enemy, is the person who's going to carry down or want to carry down. And guess what? Is the same person is going to want to bake cake just like you because them see what he do for you. But the check is out. They never start nothing upon them own. So guys, all of that are gone. And me not go take too long with certain part. Me go just jump through some hoops. Then all of a sudden, me say at one point, apparently Auntie Donna buy a car. The lady I work her money, she buy a car. It is said that a the thief in money buy the car. So she no fi have nothing. No, she no fi have nothing. She must not have anything. Then she go to Miami. She get paperwork, visa and all kind of thing. Go to Miami, do show, make how much money. So apparently something go wrong. Them say she thief. Lord God, then say she thief again. Then she have problem with friends who used all kind of something. But is it a coincidence? Is it a coincidence that if you sit down and you watch, you're a content creator, building your content on YouTube and YouTube will pay you? And who is the people who don't like you? Who is the people that dislike you? Your Jamaican brothers and sisters. Your Jamaican content creators. Your Jamaican viewers. They are the people that will continue bring you down. Why? Why they are your people will continuously bring you down? Auntie Donna do a show and a lady dress up. Well, apparently it's not a lady, it's a man dress up like a lady. And Auntie Donna said the best dressed lady and then would have take off her neck. Every single day you get up, there is something going on. People bashing. And don't get me wrong, you go have people who don't like what Auntie Donna do, and you are going to have people who love what she do. No problem about that. But the problem is when your friend, the person close to you, is your enemy and is the person who cause all the problems to be coming out there on social media. Now, guys, we go move over to Alicia Kim. Yeah, man. Alicia Kim. Alicia Kim have a YouTube channel from in Jamaica. It may not be big, but she have a YouTube channel from in Jamaica. Alicia Kim been selling things from she was 15 years old. However, 2018, she end up to find somebody somebody find her because somebody listen and hear that she love to make money. And that person never do not more than sort her out because that individual believe and said, okay, this go be my CNA for the rest of my life. And this person said out of his own mouth, I fall in love with what I heard about her before I even see her. Then, surprise engagement party, force marriage, force telling Alicia Kim, oh yeah, I'm now living in America and I'm not coming back to Jamaica to live, so you have to come to America to live. He said it out of his own mouth. Then she come to America to live with him, only to know that he don't really live anywhere. Well, he lives somewhere, but it's his sister place. She wanted more. He wanted less. She wanted more. He wanted less. She wanted more. He wanted nothing. She continues to strive. What he did? Steal her money out of a bank account that both of them name in, but him didn't put no money in it. He didn't put no money in it, so that's stealing. Guys, he divorced her. When he divorced her, he believed that she's going to go live under a bridge or she go be deported back to Jamaica. However, that didn't happen. That did not happen. She continued to go upwards. And what did he do? Sit back. But what did content creators do? What did content creators do? Content creator come out and start to beat her down. Content creator from Jamaica come out and start to beat her down about what? The life that she choose to live. Who she have sex with. When she have sex. When she get pregnant. Why she get pregnant. With who she get pregnant. Our own Jamaicans beat her for months, weeks, hours, seconds, and days. Beat her down. For what? For just to have intercourse with a man that wasn't the type or the kind of person that she should have been in a relationship with in the first place. And that's how Jamaicans, our own Jamaicans, deal with our own Jamaicans who is elevating themselves, who is trying to make something out of their lives. That's what we Jamaicans do. That's how we Jamaicans go to work. A person using YouTube to make themselves and their family some money or some growth or to put some wealth left back so that other people, other part of their family can live from it. Instead, you have our own Jamaicans will break you down to nothing, because what our Jamaicans want to see is you have nothing, so that we I don't know even which part of talk, which part of start, what to say it. But guys, Colasmit TV start out, I do a little channel with him and him lady. I walk through halfway through, I give away some tablet and I do all kind of little things. Not much now go on film channel until them go a bush. Decided to cook. Decided to put it on video. Right around COVID. The people them locking at them house. Now have nothing to do. Can't come out the door. Where them find? Colasmit TV. Colasmit TV realize say, what? Him and Sachs and the whole of them start them thing. Till all of a sudden, Colasmit get TV with him and his crew get bigger, get bigger, get bigger, get bigger, get bigger. Till Colasmit now start to give away things. Colasmit start to give away things. That's when all hell break loose. Because Colas get bigger now. Colas get bigger and everybody start to make videos. Listen me good, you know. Listen me good. And this is where me I go show you how funny life can be. Colasmit start to make video. Giving away things. Going to St. Vincent. I make video about Colasmit going to St. Vincent and all of them things. However, there was one situation that happened in a Colasmit camp. And you know me, I'm going to be honest as it can be. And it was about a lady. I'm not calling anybody else's name. I'm just calling the people name. And Colasmit come out and say something about what happened. And that video that Colasmit make, talking about what happened with the individual and him, and changed the game. It changed everything. It changed everything. Sometimes I say to myself, I wonder if Colasmit never make that video and just make it go so. I wonder if what is happening today would still be happening. Because when Colasmit made that video, that was when everything changed. Everything. You have some people gone on this side, some people gone on that side. Majority of the people have gone on Colasmit side. So everything continue to go on, continue to go on, continue to go on. Colasmit continue to make video. Colasmit continue to get bigger. Colasmit continue to make video. More people start talking about Colasmit. But I go say something. One of the things when me notice within the Colasmit situation, we always making video and making money using Colasmit videos. Yes. Colasmit wasn't telling nobody not to use his videos. Colasmit was allowing people to use his video to make money, to build their channel. Listen to what I'm saying now. Colasmit was allowing content creators to use his videos to grow their channel and to make money. While he grow his channel and he make money, because everybody is talking about Colasmit. So if I have 10,000 subscribers who don't know Colaz and hear me talk about Colaz, them going to go over there, go watch Colaz, and they're going to subscribe. So at least out of all the people that I have Colaz, me get 2,000, 3,000 people out of that people. Now you see the logics. You see the logics. The people who I have, when I talk about a person, they're going to go watch that person to see what that person is all about. So that's what build your channel. Colaz is very smart. So Colaz leave it and let you use his videos. So because he know that what is happening. But guys, listen here again. We as Jamaican know who is talking about Colaz get bad mind, get jealous of the other one. Because this one may believe Colaz is pushing more to this one and not him. And that's what caused all of the problem. Now, I see a lot of things are going on. I see a lot of videos long time ago of women talking about Colaz Smith and how all different kind of something. Bad and good. And what I notice, guys, people want to see Colaz Smith, Alicia Kim, Auntie Donna lose everything. Why? I make videos. Like when I see something go wrong, I'll make a video. Because I make a couple videos, you know, telling Colaz, yeah, I don't think that's the right thing. But guess what? That's my opinion. Colaz didn't see it fit. And he said a couple things back at the videos that I make. And to be honest with you, right now, I know he must be saying, oh, Rodney know what he was saying. But no disrespect. Just so part of life. You never know what will happen tomorrow. You never know what will happen tomorrow. Then, when you sit down and you realize that you're trying to help people and only to find out that the same people who is in your corner or who you think is in your corner is the same people is fighting against you, who is trying to put you down, who is trying to bury you, who is trying to make you be nothing. The same people who want to be you, the same people who want what you have, is the same people you're eating with and talking with. And guys, I'm going to only say this little piece because I'm not going into what's going on out there right now. As a matter of fact, I'm not going into it none at all. I'm just talking to show you up the hate and the disrespect that people have for these three people. All of you need to sit down and realize that Colaz Smith could have lose his 3 points. All of you should sit down. All of you should have sit down and realize that Colaz Smith could have lose his 3 points. With all what I hear going on and see going on, if you put them together and you realize he could have lost his 3 points. So, Auntie Donna, if you are listening to what me I say today, Alicia Kim, me know you always are listen. Colaz Smith, if you are listening to what me I say, hold your head high. Hold your head high. Keep striving. Keep pushing forward. And remember what me I tell you today. Do not take nothing easy. Watch every single person that come around you, talk to you, call you. Every single person Watch them like a hawk, like an eagle. Watch them, because if a person is going to use you and then turn around and abuse you mentally and maybe not physically, when a person is going to use mental abuse upon you, then a person is going to talk to you, show you that he and she love you, then turn them back upon you and stab you. That simple mean they will take you out. Remember, sorry can't buy soldier Larry. My viewers and subscribers, why people hate you when you try, I have no idea. Why people dislike you when you try, I have no idea. I don't have the answer. Why people love you when you're down where they are. Why people love you when you're down where they are. Only God can tell. But guys, remember, stop hating others. Learn from others. Learn from them. If you see Colaz Smith doing something that you can learn from him. If you see Alicia Kim doing something that you can learn from her, learn from her. If you see Auntie Donna doing something that you can learn from her, learn from her. Learn from each other. My viewers and subscribers, now say a word. Peace and love. Manners and respect. Have a wonderful day. This was just my take. Check out more video coming, or you can check out some of the old video them. Enough respect, manners. Stay strong. I'm out.